darts, a skill of precision, math, and balance. Add in a couple of drinks and the sun in your eyes, and there's no doubt you're set for a very interesting game. This DIY dart stand is going to satisfy the gardener just as much as the player in your home. Using what looks like the bottom half of a whiskey barrel, you'll fill it up with dirt and flowers to help secure your pole and beautify your dart game. You can definitely count on this being a huge hit at your backyard parties. The one question from me here is simple. How big is your backboard? Is the one shown in the picture too small? I know it would be for me. Let's just say you shouldn't be standing behind this board at any time when I'm up to throw darts. Safety first, kids. Hey, thank you for watching this video. And check in tomorrow as we showcase some really awesome IKEA-style indoor plant stands for all of you green thumbs. See you then.